All right, y'all. So an update on Bitcoin. Exactly what I was telling you guys was gonna happen is happening. If you even do a search on Bitcoin on Google or whatever search engine you use, you'll see the actual meltdown. You'll see the meltdown that's been going on. CNN, Bitcoin plunges below 24,000, and the crypto meltdown claims another casualty. Bitcoin slides after crypto lender Celsius network freezes withdrawals. So what we're seeing is the crash of Bitcoin, like I was telling you guys it was gonna happen. I was telling you guys this months prior to it actually going down. So how can you take advantage of this? That's the question. How can you take advantage? Whether you're trading Bitcoin as Bitcoin itself, or you're actually trading Forex, how can you take advantage of this? Well, you have to, like I was saying before, you have to understand how the charts work. You have to understand charts. You have to understand how to read the charts. All of this right here is just noise. This is just news. They're late. They're always late on everything. All they do is late. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you see this, it's already too late to actually get in the move. I don't even have to read any of this nonsense because it's just nonsense. But when you understand what you're looking at, you can really see what's going on before it happened. Remember, I told you when it was up here, you know what I'm saying, around December, November, December, we already predicted this was going to tank all the way down. It still have more to tank. Why? Because there's a lot of factors. There's liquidity right here. So a lot of people, once it hit down this bottom part right here, people started buying the dip. They thought it was going up, but we're not. Like, we already know what's going on. We see multiple harmonics here. We see a butterfly here. If you measure it out, you get the butterfly. And then you see right here was another harmonic, which ended around this zone here, which is why it shot up and spiked. But that wasn't the major harmonic. We also have another harmonic starting from the actual bottom part to up to this zone, and it's gonna come down even lower here. I've drawn it out already. It's on my other chart, but for the sake of YouTube, for the sake of the videos, so I don't just give out too much information, because there's people who actually pay for this information in the group. But I'm just giving you a heads up that Bitcoin has a lot more to drop. Liquidity was sitting all down here, so everyone who pretty much thought they was safe when they got in here, they're literally getting taken out. They're getting taken out right now, and that's just the name of the game. So there are large institutions involved in Bitcoin. So when people say, oh, Bitcoin is independent or decentralized, it's not as decentralized as you may think. There's institutions involved in it. There's big hands, the big fish, the whales. They're involved in the movement of the charts, which is why I can pretty much predict what it's going to do, because I understand how they move. So for Bitcoin and Ethereum, you just need to be patient. If you're gonna buy Bitcoin, be patient. It's going to keep dropping. It's going to give you a chance to buy multiple Bitcoin. Just not now, unless you want to do the DCA, the averaging. Unless you want to do that, I don't advise. I don't know. I don't trade it like that. So whatever you want to do, it's on you. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not going to tell you to do anything. It's up to you, right? So, but I would advise for you to actually wait for it to actually hit a zone where it starts rejecting for it to go up. But like I was saying, until you understand what's going on all the time frames, not just the higher time frame, not just the lower time frame, on all the time frames, then you will not be able to successfully predict or project what these charts are doing. This is exactly what I said was going to happen. I just sat back and waited for it to happen. That's why I haven't dropped any videos, because I've been arguing with people all day on Facebook, on Instagram, about the fact that Bitcoin is going down, and they've been emotional. So like I was saying, if you want to understand how I read these charts based on me, my confluence, how I read them based on what I know, The course is available in the description. In the description box. If you want to set up a one-on-one instead, that option is also available. But like I said, you need to learn how to read the charts, and that's the way you're going to be able to capitalize on sells and buys at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll be able to capitalize on them just like the big banks and the big institutions do. So all of this right here is just noise. All this is trash. News, when news come out, it's trash. We already know what's up. We've been knowing what's up. We've been knowing what's up. We already know the group. I had someone who took this trade from all the way down here to down here. You know, so, and that's just by understanding what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Like, my confirmation, her confirmation, and then someone else, his confirmation, all aligned together, and then we ran it down, and they got this entire move. Now, all of this, I was telling everyone to not worry about this, because this is just a retracement, and it's just going to go up just to retrace, but it's going to continue to tank. And so that's exactly what it did. So like I said, man, you got to learn how these charts work, or you're going to keep on getting burned. Big Fish FX, Big Fish. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. If you have any questions, let me know. The courses are available in the description box. And man, be safe out here.